Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the realm of Halloween with the best in spooky projections. Whether you're hosting a haunted house or just love to spook the neighborhood kids, we've got you covered. Introducing the foldable outdoor HD LED projector. This compact yet powerful device is designed to take your Halloween decorations to the next level. With its high-definition projections and easy setup, you can transform any surface into a canvas of frightful delights. Let's talk features. This projector boasts a variety of preloaded Halloween-themed slides, from classic ghosts and witches to creepy crawlies and haunted houses. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring that your Halloween setup is the talk of the town. Setting up the foldable outdoor HD LED projector is a breeze. Simply plug it in, choose your desired slide, adjust the focus, and voila! Instant spooky atmosphere without the hassle of tangled wires or complex installations. What sets this projector apart is its exceptional projection quality. Even in ambient light, the images remain sharp and vivid, thanks to its advanced LED technology. When darkness falls, prepare to be amazed as your chosen Halloween scenes come to life in brilliant detail. Built with durability in mind, the foldable outdoor HD LED projector is weather-resistant, ensuring reliable performance rain or shine. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, whether you're decorating for Halloween or planning future festivities. And don't pack it away after Halloween. This versatile projector can also be used for other holidays and events. Imagine festive Christmas scenes, cheerful Easter bunnies, or even birthday celebrations with customizable slides available for purchase. In conclusion, the foldable outdoor HD LED projector is not just a Halloween essential, it's a year-round investment for anyone who loves to create memorable experiences. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a first-time Halloween enthusiast, this device promises to elevate your decorations to new heights. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy decorating and happy haunting.